I'm Najam Ahmed, and in my digital marketing workshops across Dubai and the GCC, I meet thousands of curious professionals every year. Almost all of them describe the exact same experience. They try ChatGPT for the first time, expecting magic, but what they get back is a dry, robotic, completely useless block of text. Why does that happen? Why do so many smart, capable business people struggle to get anything of value out of such a powerful tool? The issue isn't the technology, it's a deeply ingrained habit. For 20 years, we have been trained to type short, blunt keywords into search engines, and we are treating AI exactly the same way. To fix this, we need to change how we picture the tool. Stop thinking of ChatGPT as a search engine. Instead, imagine you've just hired a lightning-fast, eager new intern from another planet. This intern is incredibly fast, but they have absolutely zero context. They don't know who you are, what your business does, or what your goals are. Imagine shouting a one-word instruction across the room and expecting this brand new hire to read your mind. It would cause absolute chaos. Expecting AI to read your mind guarantees a generic outcome. To get great work, you have to become a great manager, and that means learning how to brief them properly. This brings us to what I call the briefing standard. It is the essential recipe for getting a highly useful response from your AI intern. Every request needs 3 ingredients: who you are, what you need, and your audience. Skip this and you get useless, robotic paragraphs. But use them, like specifying you're a Dubai consultant needing a 150-word post for local owners, and the output transforms into engaging writing. The extra 10 seconds you spend setting that context dictates the value of the final work. Now, typing out detailed briefs on your phone can feel tedious. Thankfully, there is a brilliant workaround for busy professionals called voice mode. This interaction happens through a fluid, two-way audio conversation. You can naturally interrupt, ask for clarification, or change the subject mid-sentence, exactly like a normal phone call. Think about dead time spent in traffic. Use that trapped time to verbally outline a business plan or prepare for a meeting, completely hands-free. Turning wasted commute time into a productive conversation is the easiest, most natural way to integrate AI into your daily routine without feeling overwhelmed. Of course, having to reintroduce your business to the intern every single morning is going to get exhausting. This diagram illustrates a feature called projects. Think of it as giving your AI intern a permanent desk. You can store your brand guidelines, past work samples, and tone of voice rules securely inside. Because the context stays saved, the AI actually learns and improves its responses over time. You completely eliminate the need to start from scratch every time you open the app. Before you rely on this, we need to talk about the first draft trap. Remember our intern? They want to please the boss so badly that if they don't know the answer, they will confidently invent facts. In the AI world, this is known as a hallucination. This means there is an extreme danger in blindly copying and pasting AI text directly into your emails, proposals, or social media accounts without reading it first. That leads us to the absolute unbreakable rule of AI. It only ever produces first drafts. Your human expertise, judgment, and fact-checking are always required to finalize the work. This is exactly why AI is not here to replace your hard-earned professional expertise. AI acts strictly as an amplifier. A good marketer using AI becomes a faster marketer, but a non-marketer does not magically become an expert. You are still the boss. So here is your assignment for today. Open the app on your phone, tap the voice button, introduce yourself, and simply ask it how it can save you 15 minutes today. That one conversational step changes how you interact with the technology. It's the difference between guessing what to type and actually managing your work.